going to teach you how you can convert text into outlines. So what this is going to let you do is it's going to let you individually select any of the letters and change their shape. So the activity for this lesson is to type the word Nemo. So I'm going to type the word Nemo in capital letters. I'm going to make that a much larger text box. I'm going to then use the character panel or over here into the properties panel and change the font to Futura and choose extra bold. It's a good thick font that looks a lot like the Finding Nemo font. And I am going to create outlines. So that's what this is about. I'm going to turn the text into outlines. We do that by going to the type menu, create outlines. So this is the very important step that you want to remember. Type, create outlines. Once it's an outline, you can tell the difference because you have a big blue box around all the letters. And if I just simply type the word Nemo again, you know this is not a shape because you have a blue line in the bottom. So notice the difference between this and this. So this is text, these are shapes. So now that I've taken the letters and gone to type, create outlines, now that they're shapes, now I can take each of these letters and do different things with them. The first thing I want to do is, because I want to work on them individually, I'm going to ungroup them. And then I'm going to individually pick a letter and do whatever I want with it. If I want to make the letter bigger, notice I can choose that single letter and leave everything alone. I can also use the direct select tool and I can click on the anchor points and I can make the letters smaller or bigger, or change the look of the letter in whichever way I want. See? If I use the anchor point tool, I can also bend the lines. So if I want the lines to be curved, I could do crazy funky things like that with the letters, right? And so that's what you do with the when you create outlines from text. So one more example, I'll just type the word finding, and then what I'm going to do is, again, this is text because it has a blue line. I'm going to choose type and I'm going to choose create outlines, and I now know that these are shapes because they have a blue box around them. If I want to individually change a character, I am going to ungroup them first, and now I can select individual letters and I can change different parts of the letters either by just rearranging them, making them larger, rotating them, and I can use the direct select tool and choose individual points and change that as well. Okay, so this is converting text to outlines.